How to fix Instagram notes not showing. Firstly, you have to install the Instagram app in your Android by the Play Store. Then open the Instagram app in your Android. Make sure that you are using the latest version of the Instagram app. Then open the Instagram app. Then this is the desktop page of the Instagram app. Then click on your profile icon. Then click on the three lines. Before this, make sure that you are using the latest version. Then go to the messages. You see that there is the option of notes. You can write note here. If the notes are not seen to you, you have to update the Instagram app. Then you can see the option of the notes, Instagram notes. I hope that you have found value in this video. Also, please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable contents in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thank you so much.